Hi folks, I'm making this quick video of this, well, it's a table saw, fully operated, small one, and I just kind of wanted to make a before video. So it's some kind of leather belt there, and it's got two-tiered pulleys, and the table, pretty heavy table. This whole thing probably weighs 30 or 40 pounds, but got a good arbor on it. It's got adjustable height adjustment there, and this comes out on two dovetailed ways. But I picked up Cabin Fever for not much money. I'm going to restore it, and hopefully my SIP will run it and a few other accessories. And we're just going to see what we can do with it, clean it up and paint it. And rolls over pretty easily. Alright, see what we can do with it. This slides in and out. I don't really know why it has these plates up here with these bolts that protrude. Looks like that's a mortar guide right there that you can slip something through, but I don't know why these protrude like that. We'll figure it all out. Anyway, that's it. Bye now.